What's going on YouTube? Today I have an unboxing for you. Today I have Lucky Tackle Box. Got in today with my other box. And let's open it up, see what we got inside. So as you open it up, this is what you're going to see. You got the wrapping, of course, that they do every month. But this is what you're going to see when you open it up. So let's get to it. Alright, so they got an intro card here. I want to thank you all so much for your continued support. This month's box is awesome because I was able to hook you up with the baits that so many of you asked for. You asked me to include a buzz bait, so I hooked you up with one from Boyd Duckett. You asked for more new baits. I put 2 in this month's Bass XL box. So a new bait for this year is Unfair Lures Stick Minnow and a Biwa Warwick's Crawl. Alright, and also you asked me to include Big Bite baits again. I scored you a full pack of Russ Lane's Coontail Worms. And oh wow, got the Kraken Jerk Bait. I think I've had this one before. Well, who knows? Let's check it out. Of course, as always, you got your golden ticket. If you guys want this, there's the code right there. There you go. Go check them out. They are going to do this on the 20th. Alright, let's get to our box. Alright, so they got a new design on the card right here. First 5 items. Oh, I see 6 items, and then you get the 2 in the XL box. Alright, so the first one is by Tastic. It's a BD Buzz Bait, rated at $7.99. Check that out. Alright, so here's the buzz bait. Got the chartreuse with white going on right here. Rated at $7.99. Let's open her up. Ooh, there you go. Alright, so there you go. Chartreuse buzz bait right here with a little white. Standard buzz bait. There you go. $7.99 for this guy. That is the first bait. Second one, we got the Kraken Jerk Bait. Alright, well, I do have one of these. It's a different color, but this one is gold. The other one I got was a green one. Can't go too bad with this. Could always use another one, you know. Losing these things in trees and rocks. Alright, so there you go. The Kraken Jerk Bait by Lunker Hunt. And of course, it's got some knockers in it. Noise makers. Alright, so this guy's rated at $3.99 for this jerk bait. Next one we have is a Coontail Worm. 7 count on this one. And it's by Big Bite Baits. There you go. Right here. More scented stuff. Now look at this. Fat little juicy worm. What's this called? The Coontail Worm. It's definitely Gonna catch some bass. I'm excited to use these. Very nice. So you get 7 of these, all fortified with bite juice. I really do like this company, Big Bite Baits. Nice, good stuff right here. Now the fourth one is a 4-inch Works Crawl, 6 count by Bywell. Alright, these look really nice too. Well, I can't wait to use these. Wow, look at this. Nice. 4 inches right here. It doesn't state what color it is. It is a French design. This would go great on like a chatterbait, jigs, black and blue jigs right here. Nice. I just ordered a bunch of crawfish soft plastics from Tackle Warehouse. You guys will see an unboxing for that. But yes, I'm glad I got more of these. I've been hooked on these, especially for springtime bass fishing. Look at that. Nice. You get 6 of those in that bag, and they're rated at $5.99. Oh yes, also these guys, they're rated at $5.49. So 2 awesome plastics right here. Next one we got the Mustad 3/0 grip pin edge, 2 count. Alright, so there you go. 2 hooks right here by Mustad. The grip pin edge. .3/0 size. There you go. And those are rated at $5.99 for 2 of these. Dang. That's $3 per hook. Look at that. Alright. Now the 6th item is a free sample of the Bass Attractant. They actually included this as part of the stuff. But there you go. That's your 6th item right there. And it is free. Now for the XL items. We got an Unfair Lure Stick Minnow rated at $8.99. Looks like a Japanese design. There we go. Let's check this out. Unfair perch, floating. Oh look, this jerkbait's got a little red beard on it. That's weird. Ouch. Alright. So we got the stick minnow here. Does not say anything about the depth or weight or anything. Well, there you go. It's made by Unfair Lures. Jerkbait floating. It's got a swivel instead of a little ring. Rattles. Alright, not too shabby here. I like it. I dig it. Unique jerkbait design. Alright, so again that's rated at $8.99. And then the last item is, oh, they got a mystery. It's a $1,000 surprise bait. Upload a pic of your bait and hashtag for a chance to win $1,000. So this is a surprise bait. Got a Spinbait 90 bait cast model by Real. What's that? Real IS? Realis? There you go. Never heard of this company, Duo International. It's a spy baiting. Huh. So it's a spy bait. Yep. There you go. Nice little spy bait here. the little propellers. Got one there, one on the front, and it's got some small knockers on it. There you go. Ouch. Pretty cool. It's like a silver, white, translucent color right here. Looks kind of like a robot. Well, that's cool. This one, it does not say what it's rated at, so I do not know. But I say it's probably about a $8 to $10 lure. Not bad. So that is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 items, 8 if you want to count the bass attractant. But not too bad. And then got the stickers. I got these stickers last month, but it looks like I got 2 of them, so I got a total of 3 now. But put these on my tackle box, probably put one on my kayak here that I'll be getting shortly. And then, of course, you got your Fish Hound magazine right here. Goes over some of the baits, the coontail worm, the crawl, and 6 feeds to follow. More good reading stuff right here. So if you guys are interested in this box, I'll leave a description below. You can check it out. You take that link and you get $5 off your first box. So we get a total of this box. See how much we got. Alright, so we got about $45 worth of stuff in here. I just put $8 for this last jerk bait because it didn't have a price, but without that we got $38.44. And with that, it came out to about 45 bucks. So good stuff, again. And I really do like this box. Lucky Tackle Box, you did an awesome job again. I do like most of these lures, especially these soft plastics. Guys, tight lines and keep fishing.